My name is Ngong Tashi. I am Tibetan, living in the United States. Many of my fellow young Tibetan Americans have sent video messages to President Obama to speak for Tibet. Today, I am requesting you, the people, the American people, because I believe in people, and people have the power to drive their leaders to wherever they want. Secondly, American people love freedom and value human rights. So please help us by contacting your president and leaders with the use of any means of communications. Tell them this coming 10th December is Universal Human Rights Day, the day on which the President Obama has won Nobel Peace Prize for peace and human rights. Now the day has come to President Obama to speak for Tibet. There were 90 human beings has given their life on fire. While they are on fire, they have one prayers and two demands. The prayers they said, I am taking the suffering of all sentient beings, and the demands they said, return of His Holiness Dalai Lama to Tibet and freedom in Tibet. I know many of you are the loyal and genuine students or the disciples of His Holiness Dalai Lama. So you know, if His Holiness Dalai Lama has got chance to go to Tibet, to return in Tibet, 99% of the sufferings for Tibetans in Tibet will get relief. And some of you might thinking that self-immolation is violent, but not. It's not. Because they're just giving their life for the benefits of all sentient beings, and especially for the freedom of Tibet, freedom of Tibetans, and they never said even a single word of bad things to any of Chinese leader. So it's not non-violent. Please help us, help for Tibet. Write to your leaders, contact your leaders, and try to change the motion of your leaders to Tibet. Thank you.